Hey everyone, welcome back to English Through Daily Life, your friendly place for real-life English practice. I'm Sam.
And I'm Lily, and today's episode is for a very specific type of person.
Oh yes, the silent genius.
Exactly. The person who understands English perfectly, watches Netflix without subtitles, laughs at English memes.
But when someone says, "So, tell me about yourself," their brain goes,
Error 404. Words not found.
mouth closed, soul leaves body.
If that's you, don't worry. Today's topic is understand English but can't speak. Let's fix that.
Part 1, the big question. Lily, why does this happen? Why can someone understand almost everything, but when it's time to speak, they freeze?
Because understanding and speaking are two different skills.
Boom, that's it. Episode finished. Goodbye, everyone.
No, come back. We need more minutes.
Okay, fine. Here's the truth. Understanding English is a passive skill. Speaking English is an active skill.
When you listen, your brain receives information. But when you speak, your brain must choose words, build a sentence, check grammar, move your mouth, control pronunciation, fight fear, and breathe.
That's a lot for one small sentence like, I like coffee.
Exactly. So when you freeze, it doesn't mean you're bad at English. It means your brain is overloaded.
Part 2. The translate problem. Let's talk about a common problem. Translating.
Oh yes, the classic. Someone asks you, "What did you do yesterday?" And your brain goes,
Step 1. Think in your language.
Step 2, translate into English.
Step 3. Fix grammar.
Step 4, panic.
Step 5. Say nothing.
By the time you're ready to answer, the conversation has moved to next year.
The goal is simple. Stop translating. Start thinking in English.
Part 3, think in simple English.
But how?
First rule, use smaller sentences. Many learners try to speak like professors. Instead of saying, "Yesterday, I engaged in various recreational activities," just say, "I relaxed yesterday. I watched a movie. I met my friend."
Simple English is powerful English. Fluent speakers don't always use difficult words. They use clear words confidently.
Let's try a mini practice right now. I'll ask you a question. Answer with a short sentence. Ready? What did you eat today?
I ate rice.
Perfect. Not, I consumed carbohydrate-based nutritional substances.
That's for aliens.
Part 4. Your mouth needs practice.
Here's something important. Your mouth needs training.
Yes, your brain may know English, but your mouth is still on vacation. Speaking English uses different mouth movements, different sounds, different rhythm. If you don't practice speaking out loud, your mouth feels uncomfortable.
It's like reading about swimming. You understand swimming, but if you jump into water without practice...
You swallow water and regret life decisions.
Exactly. Part 5. Daily 5-minute speaking habit.
Okay, let's make this practical. Here's a simple 5-minute daily routine. Minute 1. Speak alone. Talk about your day. Example. Today I woke up at 8. I was tired. I drank coffee. I checked my phone. Don't stop. Don't fix mistakes. Just talk. Minute 2. Describe your room. Look around and describe things. The chair is brown. My phone is on the table. The window is open.
If someone sees you talking alone, just say you're famous. Minute 3. Answer one question. Pick one question. What are your goals? What makes you happy?
Minute 4. Shadowing. Listen to a short English clip. Pause. Repeat exactly the same sentence. Copy the rhythm. Copy the tone. Minute 5. Confidence sentence. Stand in front of a mirror and say, "I can speak English. I am improving every day. Mistakes help me grow. Yes, it feels dramatic. Yes, it works. Part 6. Fear is the real enemy. Sam, let's be honest. The biggest problem is not vocabulary, it's fear. Fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of judgment, fear of embarrassment. But let's ask something important. When someone speaks broken English to you, do you laugh? Sam, no, I feel respect. Lily, exactly. Most people don't care about your mistakes. They care about communication. Part 7. The 3 speaking rules. Sam, let's give them 3 golden rules. Rule 1. Speak before you're ready. If you wait to feel 100% ready, you will wait forever.
Rule 2. Progress over perfection. Instead of asking, "Was my grammar perfect?" ask, "Did they understand me?" Communication first, grammar second. Rule 3. Small wins every day. Don't try to speak for 1 hour. Speak for 5 minutes daily. Consistency beats intensity. Part 8. Real-life mini conversation practice. Lily, let's do a simple everyday conversation. Imagine we meet at a cafe. Okay. Hey Sam, how are you? I'm good. A little tired, but okay. You? Same. Work was busy today. Oh really? What happened? I had many meetings. My brain is tired. I understand. Do you want coffee? Yes, strong coffee. Very strong. See? Simple, natural, easy. You don't need complicated sentences. Part 9. How to respond faster. Another common problem, slow answers. To respond faster, memorize small response phrases. Really? That's interesting. I see. Oh wow. That's nice. Sounds good. These give your brain time to think.
They are conversation lifesavers. Part 10. Build automatic sentences. Create sentence patterns you can use anytime. For example, I think, I feel like, in my opinion, the reason is, it depends on. Practice finishing these sentences daily. Your brain will start responding automatically. Part 11. Talk to yourself. Yes, really.
Talking to yourself is powerful. In the shower, while cooking, while walking. Describe what you're doing. I'm cutting vegetables. This smells good. I need more salt. This builds fluency naturally.
Part 12. The 30-day challenge. Here's our challenge for you. For 30 days, speak English 5 minutes daily. No skipping, no excuses, even if you feel shy. After 30 days, your mouth will feel different. Your brain will respond faster. Your confidence will grow. Let's review quickly. If you understand English but can't speak, stop translating. Use simple sentences. Practice speaking daily. Train your mouth. Don't fear mistakes. Focus on communication. Be consistent. Speaking is not magic. It's repetition plus courage. If you listened to this whole episode, you already understand English. That's a huge win. Now it's time to use your voice. Your English doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be alive. If this episode helped you, like this video. Subscribe for more English through daily life. Share it with a friend who understands English but is still shy to speak. And in the comments, write, I will speak English every day. Make it your promise. This is Sam. And Lily. Both. Keep talking. Keep practicing. See you in the next episode.